Hey everybody, it's Rebecca and welcome to the channel where I talk money matters as it relates to managing our money wisely, financial freedom, building wealth, and leaving a legacy. So if you're interested in learning more about personal finance and growing your money exponentially, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Today I want to talk to you about how you can become a millionaire by investing just $5 a day. Now some of you may already be taking part in my $5 a day challenge, but if you're new to the channel, I want to go over it again with some updated stock picks because of where the stock market is right now. And if you already have your stock picks, then just go ahead and keep those and continue to invest your $5 a day. Now, if you're new to investing, you could not have chosen a better time to begin because the key to building wealth in the stock market is to buy low and sell high. And right now, we are in a soft recession where stock prices have fallen dramatically. This is called a bear market. Now, some stocks have dropped 50% or more, and most millionaires are made in a bear market. Now, yes, you can become wealthy owning a business, investing in real estate, but the easiest and effective way to build long-term wealth is by investing in the stock market. And why, you might ask? Because of compounded interest. Now, the growth potential is substantially higher than putting your money into a savings or a money market account. Now, there's more volatility and risk involved in the stock market, of course, compared to these other instruments. So you want to be strategic when it comes to investing in the stock market, and the $5 a day challenge is an excellent long-term investment strategy. Now, you're never too old or too young to invest. And naturally, if you're over, say, 55, your investment strategy would not be the same as someone who is 40 years old or younger because you don't have as much time. When you're a young investor, you can be more aggressive because you have more time to recover any losses. So you want to start investing as early as possible. So let's dive into the stock market and our topic for today. Now, to start investing in the $5 a day challenge, you'll need to open an online brokerage account. And I recommend Fidelity Investment Platform. And let me just say from the start that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm only sharing information about how I'm investing. The stock picks that I'm sharing with you are for your consideration. So please perform your own due diligence or seek a financial advisor if necessary. Now, unless you are an experienced investor, I recommend that you set up your brokerage account as cash accounts, not marginal accounts, because marginal accounts is when you're borrowing money to invest in the stock market, and our goal is always to be out of debt. So don't open any brokerage accounts as marginal accounts, okay? Now, when it comes to the stock market, there are two types of market. There's the bull market and the bear market. A bull market occurs when stocks are on the rise and you're making money, but it's not the best time to invest because the price of the stock is increasing. Now, that's not to say that you should never invest in a bull market. You just need to be more strategic. Ideally, you want to buy low and sell high, so you're making a profit off of your initial investment. So the best time to invest is during a bear market. And a bear market occurs when stocks fall for a period of time. And this is the time that you want to go shopping when companies are on sale at a bargain price, because inevitably the stock market is going to recover and go on that bull run again. And on average, bear markets take about 13 months to go from peak high to bottoming out and 27 months to go back to break even. And this has been the cycle since World War II. The stock market is like a roller coaster. It goes up and it goes down. And when it goes down, I don't have to panic because I know that it's just a paper loss. And I'll recover and even excel as long as I hold and don't sell that stock. The stock market is going to recover and go on another bull run. I just have to be patient. And as I mentioned earlier, the upside of a bear market is that stocks go on sale and you can buy these companies at bargain basement prices. When the recovery starts and stocks start to rise again, you are in the best position to make a whole lot of money. According to S&P Dow Jones indices, bear markets occur, say, every 4 years and 8 months on average since 1932. Now let's move on and get into our $5 a day challenge in our Fidelity investment account, where we're investing long-term, building generational wealth. Now, you can have more than one brokerage account. In fact, I do encourage you to do so. Now, I also have a brokerage account with TD Ameritrade where I do my short-term trading that I intend to cash out, say, within 1 to 5 years. Now, in my Fidelity account, I actually invest $10 a day, but I'm not proposing that for you as a new investor unless you want to and you can afford to, then by all means do so. Of course, the more money you invest, the higher your returns. Now, in your $5 a day challenge, you're not going to be buying full shares. You're going to be buying fractional shares, also referred to as partial shares. Now, a fractional share is less than a full share of a company. In other words, you're buying a slice of that company. For example, rather than buying a full share of the business, you could purchase a quarter of a share. Let's say the full share price is $100. You could purchase a $25 slice of that company. And one of the benefits of fractional shares is that it makes it easier to invest in companies with higher share prices. Let's say Tesla stock is trading at $500, which is not right now. I'm just using this as an example. You like the company, but you can't afford the full share price, but you can afford $5 a day or $40 a month. You just keep buying fractional shares at your desired amount. And these fractional shares add up to become whole shares as you continue to invest month after month and year after year, say for the next 10, 20, 30 years. And this is not a get-rich-quick strategy, okay? So let's be clear about that. And you make the same percentage of gains and get the same benefits as a full share investor. You also take the same risk of a loss. Now, not all brokerages allow investors to buy fractional shares, but Fidelity is among those that do. And I'm going to share 10 solid stocks that I'm currently invested in, and I recommend you select 5 of these companies to include in your $5 a day challenge. And before you start the challenge, there are 2 videos that I want you to go back and watch from my playlist. The first one is titled The Stock Market for Beginners. And the other one is my initial $5 a day challenge video where I go into more detail about trading and the stock market. And I'll put those links in the description box below. They will give you more insight that will help you to prepare for this challenge. Now, here are the 10 stocks I recommend you selecting 5 from to consider buying partial shares at $5 a day. And I selected these 10 stocks because they are high quality, stable companies that have been around for a long time and will probably be around for decades to come. And remember, these are your generational building stocks. Now, the first one is Vanguard S&P ETF, ticker symbol VOO. Now, you definitely want to include at least one ETF in your portfolio. An ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, which is a basket of stocks rather than an individual stock. Now, ETFs are a good foundation for your investment portfolio because they're considered low risk because of the diversification within the basket of companies. Now, I'm recommending that you definitely include this Vanguard S&P 500 ETF as one of your 5 selections because it includes 500 of the largest blue chip companies in the United States. And this ETF has been around since 2010. Next, you can choose 4 of the remaining stocks on the list, and let's go over each one of these. The first one on the list is another ETF, Vanguard Total Market Index Fund ETF, ticker symbol VTI. Now, this fund includes 3,000 to 5,000 companies with a blend of small, medium, and large cap companies in the United States. Now, this fund has been around since 2001. Number 2 on the list is Boeing, ticker symbol BA. Boeing is an aircraft manufacturer. Boeing was founded in 1916, 107 years ago. Number 3 is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Now, we're all familiar with Disney. It's an entertainment and media company, and Disney was founded in 1923, 100 years ago. Number 4 is Morgan Stanley, ticker symbol MS. Morgan Stanley is one of the largest global banking financial services company. It was founded in 1924, 99 years ago. Number 5 is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And as you know, Apple is a technology company that makes computers, the iPhone, and software. And Apple was founded in 1976, 47 years ago. And number 6 is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft provides software, services, devices, and solutions. And Microsoft was founded in 1975, 48 years ago. Number 7 on the list is Google, ticker symbol GOOG. Google is a technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products. And Google was founded in 2015, only 8 years ago. This is the baby on the list, just 8 years ago. And number 4 on the list is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZ. And Amazon is an online retail shopping marketplace. It was founded in 1994, 29 years ago. And last but not least, number 9 is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is another technology company that is known for designing and manufacturing high-end computer chips and multimedia software. It was founded in 1993, 30 years ago. So there you have the 10 stocks. And as I said, select 5 from this list to include in your $5 day challenge. Now, the current share prices of these stocks are at a bargain basement due to the fact that the stock market is now in bear territory. And they should result in significant gains once the stock market recovers and go on the next bull run. Now, let's do a breakdown of our $5 day challenge. Now, $5 a day for 365 days is $1,825 annually. And if you divide that by your 12 months, it's going to give you $152 a month. So you're only going to be investing $152 a month in your $5 day challenge. And 152 divided by your 5 stocks equals $30.40 per month per stock. And you can have this $152 a month automatically drafted from your bank account into your brokerage account on a specific day of the month. Let's say the 15th. And when the money gets transferred into your brokerage account, you can go in, buy your 5 fractional shares. And buying fractional shares in Fidelity is very simple. You can download the app and buy fractional shares on your phone or on your computer. And if you're on your computer, just log into the Fidelity account and place your cursor on Accounts and Trade at the top left of the page. And from the drop down, you want to select Trade. Next, enter your stock ticker symbol in the search box and hit enter. And at the top of the next page, it will say fractional share trading is now available. Now, the first time you do fractional trading, there might be a link that says simplified ticket. Just click on that link. It's not going to appear going forward, just this one time. Now, when you enter the ticker symbol in the search box, you will see the actual name of the stock and the price that is currently trading at. And to make the purchase, you want to click on the options you see there, buy, dollars, and market. And enter $30.40 in the box for your share amount. Next, click preview your order, and click place order, which will be a button on your next page. And it's just that simple. And repeat these steps for your 4 remaining stocks. And there you have it. As I stated earlier, this information is just for your consideration. Feel free to research these stocks for yourself. You might come up with different companies that you like even better, and that's perfectly fine. And I have some helpful resources that I'm going to share with you in the description box below. And the first is Yahoo Finance, where you can do symbol searches and learn more about any stock that you might be interested in. Then we have Tip Ranks. That's another website you can use to learn more about specific stocks and actually get performance analysis from people who actually study the stock market on a daily basis. I'll put the links to these resources in the description box below. Now, that's going to wrap up what I have for you today. I pray this information is of value, and thank you so much for staying to the end. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to receive an alert each time I upload a new video. Until the next time, take care and bye for now.